Hi there YouTube friends, welcome back to another episode of Auntie A's Kitchen. Simple and delicious food cooked and prepared in South Korea with South Korean ingredients. It's a beautiful sunny day today and I'm going to show you my go-to dish, and that is creamy chicken pesto pasta. Absolutely delicious. You have the vegetables, the broccoli and the peppers and the colors of the peppers. I will undercook all of my vegetables. I like them more crunchy than soft. And you'll see that as we cook it, just the last minute in the pasta sauce, that is just enough. You could make your own pesto sauce, and maybe we'll show that on another episode, but today I'm going to be using a shop-bought pesto. I love the combination of the basil with the cream. And we're going to be using penne pasta, and the simple reason that the sauce will get caught up inside, and so it means every mouthful is just delicious. It's quick to make, easy, and the ingredients are available Home Plus, E-Mart, and other shops. So let's show you the ingredients and get cooking. You're going to need some chicken, some onion, peppers and broccoli. Those are my vegetables, and I really like the colours in the pasta, and it'll just stand out and just look wonderful. Some cream, some pesto, and you can use any kind of pesto. I make my own Mediterranean fettuccine sauce, and so I'm going to use some of the garlic and oil from here. Some penne pasta, because it captures a lot of the sauce inside, and just they're delicious to use for this dish. Some Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to season. Good, let's get that boiling before we put our pasta inside. In another episode, I will show you how I make my own marinade for feta cheese that I use in Mediterranean salads. You will see here that I'm just using some of the oil and garlic from that. So instead, I recommend that you use some olive oil in a pan and cut up some garlic to cook your chicken in. Use one chicken breast. What I'll do is just cut this up now. Now I like to cut the chicken up into pieces. Alternatively, you could cut up the chicken before you put it into the pan, whatever you prefer. So, while the chicken gets a head start cooking, I use the time to prepare all of the other ingredients. The broccoli will be the last thing that I cook, as it does not take long at all. Next, let's cut up our onion. You will notice that I cut my onion and peppers relatively into big chunks, as we like how it looks in this pasta dish. I'll do 1 handful, 2 handfuls, 3 handfuls. And I've used the penne, but I've also used some different shapes because I just think it makes it look more pretty with the different shapes of pasta inside. Don't forget to season your pasta water with salt and stir occasionally. Our onions in with our chicken. So the chicken has been cooking for a while, so I now add in the onions to cook with the chicken. A little bit of salt, and now I've kept that chicken and our onions cooking. I use the bottom end of my pasta spoon. These are quite big, so I'm going to use just a little bit of each one of them. So half, one. I love using vibrant colours in my cooking. Our broccoli, orange, yellow, red, peppers. So once all my preparation is done, the last thing that I do now is I turn the heat up, because I'm now watching this, and get a bit of colour and caramelise these onions a bit more. I'll throw in my peppers so they can start to cook now. And the broccoli will be the last thing that goes in. Turn the heat right down, and I'm going to add my pesto sauce. That 2 big teaspoons. You could actually now do this with no cream, but I think it tastes really nice. There we go. Mix this up, and then you can have a look how much pesto you have in there. So I'm just going to let that simmer for a minute. Have a taste. Yep, that's enough pesto. So put my broccoli in to finish off. Pepper and some salt. So drain off my pasta. Just to finish, put my pasta inside. That simple. Mix it around. making sure all your pasta is coated. Prepare some of our Parmesan, a little bit of Parmesan while it's cooking. Let's just mix in. Last time, the smell is incredible. This is my little basil plant that I'm growing. I'm gonna pick some fresh basil, just a little bit to complement the top. Get your basil, put all the leaves inside each other, like this. Roll it up into a cylinder, and then, there we go. So in my pasta bowl then, some of our creamy pesto chicken. Season with just a bit of pepper, a bit of Parmesan, some of that basil. Love it with different shapes of pasta and the colours, just incredible. I love the creaminess of the sauce, but there's not too much cream that it's heavy. We have the fresh basil, which will complement the pesto. Just a brilliant combination of a lunchtime meal. So, thanks for watching today, YouTube. I'm going to finish my lunch now. I hope you enjoyed seeing how we make creamy chicken pesto pasta. Very quick to make, vibrant in colour. The taste is absolutely delicious with the pesto and the fresh basil. The crunchiness of the broccoli and the peppers with the softness and the creaminess of the pasta. A perfect lunch. So from me to you, I want to say bon appetit. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.